lovelies, it's your girl Anya and I'm back here with another brand new video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back here again with another weekly vlogs. You know the vibe, you already know what time it is. So we're starting today's vlog on a Thursday, no, actually Wednesday evening. This is currently 9:30 p.m. I just got back from the salon. I went to relax my hair and then do my nails because the bra wants to install, oh my gosh, don't install, do ponytail for me because my friend's dad's birthday is on Friday. So tomorrow we're having like this boat cruise and Friday we're having like dinner. So I just wanted to, do something fresh, do something simple, nothing too serious. So I'm ready to do my hair right now. And if you guys know me, you know that I don't like ponytail because it's painful, but like beauty is pain, so I'm going to manage, I'm going to bear. No one said it's going to be easy. Anyhow, so that's what I want to do right now. So forgive this bonnet, I know, forgive it, I still look beautiful in it. Anyways, without further ado, let's get right into the video. We are done and it's given. Even if you involve the police, I will still win this case. That's what's given. You guys, this hair was stressing the brows. Well, the brow is a perfectionist, so she said, baby, I'm gonna do it, and she did it. And yeah, I'm tired, I need to go to sleep. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Love you guys. Mwah. Hi my lovelies, good morning. I am late, you guys. I woke up really late today. I've not started my makeup. This is currently 11 and we're supposed to have the boat cruise for 12. I have not eaten. I decided to cook small noodles. Yes, I have to use chopsticks to eat because, in case I finally go to Korea and see Lee Min-ho. Anyways, I'm trying to rush then start my makeup. I'm not doing anything serious. I'm doing like a clean girl makeup and stuff like that. You guys, from now on I am going to start ordering things a week before, because tell me why everything that I wanted from styling because they kept telling me sold out. I literally had to look for like whites to just use in my wardrobe because it's an all-white party. So that's what we did today. I'm going to start my makeup after eating, like real. And my friend has already asked me if I stay your makeup, and I'm like, yeah, I've started, I'm almost done. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys when I start my makeup.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you want to be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education.
Guys, I'm done with my makeup and I'm running really late. So I'll talk to you guys when I get to Anya's apartment. The brad's already left me to help our friend do her hair. So I'll talk to you guys when I get to the apartment. vlog. My bestie just finished writing exam, brain bugs. Chef A. Bestie, hi. All white fancy fur.
What's wrong and why you never said you felt that way? And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look.
Hi my lovelies, good morning. This is Friday morning and I realized that, yes baby, hope you're not naked. Say please. Say please. Thank you. Oh god. You guys, I'm trying to do away. So anyhow, I just realized that we had CD yesterday and I did not know. Aisha had not told me because Aisha used to give me a check, but she didn't tell me. So I'm missing my CD yesterday. They might query me. I don't know. I want to go home and get my boss's phone because I collected it without realizing. Oh my gosh, so much noise here. Anyways, itinerary for today, I want to go and collect my boss's phone from my house, return it, then I and Annie want to go and make our nails, then find accessories, then come back to the apartment. Yeah. Why did I drag you like that? Talk to you guys when I get home. Mwah. Hi baby, I can't see you, you're backing the line. Hi celebrity hairstylist, looking good. You guys, I'm obsessed with this movie. Like, I just leave here every day. I don't want to go. So I wasn't able to film a lot today because today was a lot and I'm currently on my way to Anura's dad's birthday. He's having a dinner party. Yesterday was the boat cruise and today is now the party. I'm done with my nails. I think I vlogged a bit. Sorry, I still haven't gotten, thank you my love, I still haven't gotten a stand for this thing. Anyways, these are the nails. I don't know, I didn't like it, but Andrea said they were nice because normally I'll do like a lot of design, but this is so simple for me, but it's reflective, so I guess that's good. They left us. I and Andrea, say hi. Oh my gosh, you guys, tell me my best friend is not pretty. Like, tell me, what the fuck? Anyways, we're the only ones here. Everyone has gone. So I'm very sure Andrea's parents, they're going to shout at us or eye us or give us bombastic side-eye, criminal offensive side-eye. Anyways, we'll talk to you guys when we get to the venue. Mwah. Joseph. Yeah, that was fast. Pretty. I'm a YouTuber, so I got to be a YouTuber. I'm a YouTuber.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But walls, I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Time till we fall, it's awfully